Cut it for me. Just for now.
No, hold this.
It's frustrating me. Good morning, guys. It's Saturday. I got some cute graphic tees the other day to sleep in. And when I was younger, I used to love Care Bears. Like, guys, I'm telling you, I had the whole collection of Care Bears. And my mom, she hung them all over my wall. And so I had like 2 or 3 lines like full of Care Bears. It's crazy. I was so obsessed. But yeah, I seen this and it just brought me back to my childhood. And I think it's so cute to sleep in. I love like oversized graphic tees to sleep in. But yeah, and then I just have my little cute robe. So we're gonna have a fun summer day. I didn't really plan anything. I had planned stuff for yesterday, but that didn't work out. So we're just gonna move all those plans into today, Lord willing. And yeah, we're gonna get the day started. The house is clean. This is the espresso machine that I got. I got this on Amazon for Prime Day. And guys, I'm telling you, I went through all the reviews and it had really good reviews. So we're just gonna see if it's actually as good as they say. To head out in like maybe 20 minutes. I'm not really putting on makeup because I have like a few breakouts, so I don't even want to make it worse. I tried my espresso and I think I made it a little too sweet because I made one for me and my husband, but I think I added too much milk. I'm not really too sure. I'm just doing my eyebrows and I'm gonna add a little bit of mascara and maybe some glow serum. I know it's gonna be super hot today. I'm gonna show you guys where we're going. I just booked it like 20 minutes ago. I've been here before, but I think I went there like, probably been like 2 years already since I've gone. But this is the place. It's called what is the place called? River Row, and it's in Woodlands. And I booked a little Swan for us. Looks like this. Hopefully you guys can see it. Put my brightness down. It's a little Swan, and I booked it for 2 hours, so we'll go around the whole area. So yeah, I booked that place, and then once I get in the car, I'm going to try to find a spot around that area to maybe have like some cool drinks, some food, and to spend the day out there, because that area is like an hour and a half away. So it's a little drive, plus it's Saturday, so there might be a little bit of traffic, but I'm hoping that there's not. So I'm trying to get ready quick just in case there is, because I booked it for 11 and it's already 8. It's 8:36 right now. Alright guys, we just got here. I look like Casper. We have Grumpy Pants over here. He's in his feelings. Whew. I have him on this little, it's kind of like a bathing suit, I guess you could call that, with these black shorts. Alright, let's see. Let's hop on this. I gotta take a photo for my thumbnail. It's not gonna move, right, without you?
Should be alright.
Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm so sweaty already. It's not even funny. Hi, Grump.
What up?
You're the grumpy bear from my Care Bears. I wish I could let it sit, but I'm not taking no chance with my camera. Because that thing falls in there, it's done. I will never see it again. You think this water's deep? They could probably swim underneath, right?
What you mean?
Underneath the water? For a camera?
Why don't you put it on your wrist?
No, I'm not. I'm gonna turn it off after a while. I'm not gonna. I mean, I don't need to record the whole entire trip.
4 feet on the stripes in the Alabama highway. Out there in the open, just a wishing and a hoping. I could smell the pines when I let you in the doorway. Took the seat next to mine like you've been there before. I'm befriended.
Guys, I am literally sweating bullets. And then, of course, our silly selves. Tell me why we wouldn't bring water. Tell me why we didn't bring water. Why would we do that?
Have a towel.
What's wrong with us? Oh, thanks, sweetie. Ooh. Yeah, we just got done. Oh, I found 2 spots for us to maybe try. I really want like a really cool drink, but I have a Gatorade right now, so I know that's gonna cool me down. But I also screenshot 2 spots for us to try. We normally don't come out to this area, so we gotta try something new. One is called The Stand, and then the other one is called Tiki. It's Tiki Bar Lounge, Kava Bar. Let me see. Hold on, I gotta rest my arm. My arm hurts. Okay, let me see. Buffalo wrap was so good. They seasoned the chicken so good. It was really spicy though. My nose was like dripping a little bit, but I like spice, so I don't really mind that. And that's all I ate. I had 1 fry because I'm trying to cut out fried foods. So I'll try to have like 1 tiny thing of it, and that's it. Which I literally have 1 fry. But I had hash browns this morning, so that's why I didn't want anything fried. But the spot is called The Stand, and it's a really cool spot. The girl was like super sweet to us inside. Oh, and the drink that I got was called, what was it called? Agua Fiesta?
Something like that. It's like
it's
weird.
Yeah, so it has cucumber, lime,
like a pickle in there.
Pickle. It has like a pickle flavor, which I'm not sure if the cucumber is giving that flavor.
Well, I guess cucumber is pickles.
Oh, so yeah, she said cucumber, lime, water, and then she said salt too. So, and then something else. I forgot what was the other thing in it, but I'm drinking it. I'm gonna finish it. So I'll see you guys back home when I get there. Oh, my camera's dying anyway, so I gotta go. Good morning, guys. It's Sunday. It's 9:14 right now. Let me take this off. It's a little I am about to get ready. I have my coffee here. I already drank 1 cup of coffee, but I feel like I need a little bit extra this morning. I woke up at like 6:30 and I just watched a sermon. It was pretty long. The sermons that I watch are like an hour, a little over an hour. I'm about to do my makeup. I'm actually gonna do makeup today, like full face, because I don't know, I'm just feeling it today. I just wanna wear some makeup, look cute. I have a few things on the agenda today. So we're going to be going to a bookstore. I want to get some books for the months coming up. I want to have a little picnic. I'm not sure where yet. I have a place in mind, but I'm not sure if I want to go all the way out there. I'm still debating. Whenever I get home, I'm going to meal prep and clean the house. I also want to go to this spot. I can actually show you guys so you guys know. It's this thing called Little Free Libraries. And so it's pretty much in front of somebody's house. So what you do is you grab a book and then you leave one. So I'm going to make sure I at least bring 2 books because I want to go to 2 different locations today. Let me put my brightness down. It's like these little libraries. And you find the locations and you leave a book and then you see what books they have. And I think it's so cute. But yeah, guys, I really want to make one. I just got in the car. This man's waiting on me. Just left the bookstore. Tell me why I ended up with 5 books. I went in there for 1 book. 1 book. Actually, I just don't know why I even tell myself that. But anyways, I got The Ugly Love. I got Layla. I'm guessing that says Layla. I got It Ends With Us. I got November 9th. Guys, we're trying to find the Little Free Library. Oh, it's right there. Look at how cute this is. I'm not sure what that is. Oh, it's a pantry. Neighborhood, take a book and leave it. Let's see. Where'd you go?